Have you ever wondered what it would be like if you could regrow a lost limb or heal from severe injuries without a scar? For humans, such abilities may sound like something out of a superhero movie, but in the animal kingdom, this superpower is a natural reality. From the depths of the ocean to the densest forests, some creatures have evolved extraordinary skills to regenerate their bodies in ways that boggle the human mind. In this video, we will dive into the fascinating world of regeneration, the ability of certain animals to regrow lost body parts, such as limbs, tails, and even entire organs. You'll be amazed to learn how nature has equipped these animals with this life-saving power and how it plays a crucial role in their survival and adaptation. But it's not just about nature's wonders. There's a deeper story here. The study of animal regeneration is transforming science, inspiring breakthroughs in medicine, and offering hope for humanity. So join us as we unveil the 10 incredible animals that can regrow their body parts, exploring their biology, habitats, and what makes them unique. What makes regeneration so fascinating? Regeneration is one of the most complex and awe-inspiring biological processes on Earth. While humans can heal from cuts and bruises or repair broken bones, the ability to regrow an entire body part is beyond our natural capabilities. Yet many animals have mastered this skill to such an extent that they can regrow not just external parts like limbs, but even internal structures like hearts and spinal cords. Regeneration isn't just about healing, it's a survival mechanism, a way for these animals to adapt to their environments and escape predators. For some, it's a defense mechanism, while for others, it's an everyday part of their life cycle. Understanding how these creatures regenerate can unlock mysteries about life itself, and scientists are working tirelessly to study these animals to bring regenerative medicine closer to reality for humans. Now, let's meet the stars of the show. 10 animals with mind-blowing regenerative abilities. 1. Axolotl, the Regeneration Champion. Our first superstar is the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. This amphibian is often referred to as the king of regeneration, and for good reason. Axolotls can regrow not just their limbs, but also their spinal cords, heart tissue, and even parts of their brain. How do they do it? Axolotls rely on special cells called blastomal cells, which gather at the site of injury and transform into the specific tissues needed to rebuild the lost body part. What's even more astonishing is that they can regenerate without any scars, making their new body parts fully functional and indistinguishable from the original. Why is this important? Scientists are studying axolotls to understand how humans might one day regenerate tissues or even entire organs. Imagine a future where spinal cord injuries or heart damage could be reversed thanks to insights from this tiny amphibian. 2. Starfish, the ocean's regeneration experts. Starfish, or sea stars, are iconic examples of regeneration. These echinoderms are capable of regrowing entire arms, and in some cases, an entire starfish can regenerate from a single severed arm. Why do starfish regenerate? Regeneration helps starfish escape predators and recover from injuries in their harsh underwater environment. Their regenerative abilities are so advanced that they can replace lost arms with fully functional ones, complete with muscles, nerves, and skeletal structures.
Fun fact, starfish regeneration also plays a role in their reproduction.
In some species, a single arm can regenerate into a new individual, essentially creating a clone of the original. 3. Geckos, the tail-shedding escape artists. Geckos are masters of survival, thanks to their ability to detach their tails when threatened. This defense mechanism distracts predators, giving the gecko time to escape. But what happens after the tail is gone? Tail regeneration in geckos can regrow their tails over weeks or months, although the regenerated tail is usually simpler in structure than the original. This ability is powered by specialized stem cells that activate upon tail loss. Interesting insight: gecko tails are more than just decoration. They're used for balance, communication, and storing fat reserves. Regrowing a tail is an energy-intensive process, but it's worth it for survival. 4. Planarian worms, the immortal flatworms. If there's one creature that truly takes regeneration to the next level,
It's the Planarian worm. These tiny flatworms can regenerate their entire body from just a small fragment. Cut a Planarian into multiple pieces, and each piece will grow into a complete, fully functioning worm.
How do they do it? Planarians possess a high concentration of pluripotent stem cells, which can transform into any cell type. This allows them to rebuild every part of their body, including their nervous system, muscles, and digestive tract. Scientific implications. Planarians are a hot topic in scientific research, as their regenerative abilities could hold the key to understanding stem cell biology and developing new medical therapies. 5. Sea cucumbers, the bizarre bodybuilders. Sea cucumbers are some of the ocean's strangest creatures, and their regenerative abilities are no exception. When threatened, these animals can eject their internal organs, such as their intestines, to scare off predators. Remarkably, they can regrow these organs within weeks. Why do they eject their organs? This extreme defense mechanism helps sea cucumbers survive attacks. By sacrificing their internal organs, they confuse or distract predators, giving them time to escape. 6. Lizards, the classic tail regenerators. Lizards are perhaps the most well-known regenerators, thanks to their ability to regrow tails.
But did you know that not all lizards can do this?
The process varies between species, and regrowing a tail requires significant energy and resources. Biological process lizards use stem cells to rebuild their tails, but the new tail often lacks bones and instead contains cartilage. Despite this, the regenerated tail functions well enough to help the lizard survive.
7. Crabs, the claw regeneration experts. Crabs are another fascinating example of regeneration. When a crab loses a claw or leg, it can regrow the lost limb over several molting cycles. This ability is crucial for their survival, as claws are essential for feeding, defense, and reproduction. Fun fact: some species of crabs can even regenerate claws that are larger and stronger than the original ones, giving them an advantage in their environment. 8. Spiny mice, mammals. With regenerative powers, unlike most mammals, spiny mice can regenerate skin, cartilage, and even hair follicles after injury. This rare ability has made them a focus of medical research. Why is this unique? Most mammals, including humans, heal with scars. Spiny mice, however, regenerate without scarring, producing new tissues that are almost identical to the original. 9. Salamanders, the limb regeneration masters. Salamanders are often considered the champions of regeneration in the vertebrate world. They can regrow legs, tails, and even parts of their heart and brain. How does it work? Salamanders use a process similar to axolotls, involving blastomol cells that specialize in rebuilding complex structures. Their regenerative abilities are so advanced that they can heal from severe injuries without any long-term damage. 10. Sea sponges, nature's simplest regenerators. Sea sponges may not have brains or nervous systems, but they are incredible regenerators. These ancient organisms can rebuild their entire body from just a few cells, making them some of the most resilient creatures on Earth. Why are they important? Sea sponges play a crucial role in marine ecosystems, filtering water and providing habitats for other organisms. Their regenerative abilities help them adapt to changing environments and recover from damage. The future of regeneration research. Regeneration isn't just a fascinating natural phenomenon. It's a field of study with profound implications for humanity. By studying these animals, scientists hope to unlock new treatments for injuries, diseases, and aging. Imagine a world where humans could regenerate lost limbs, heal from spinal cord injuries, or even replace damaged organs. Final thoughts from the tiny Planarian worm to the majestic salamander. These animals showcase the incredible power of regeneration. Their abilities remind us of the resilience and creativity of nature, and they offer hope for the future of science and medicine. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of regenerative animals, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. This extended description is designed to captivate viewers, provide detailed insights, and optimize for search engine visibility. Let me know if you'd like more sections or further refinements.